Because we are not yet going home during the break, we are attending this at the dormitory. Let's listen to what they will say. You have to listen, okay? So you need to know the do's and don'ts. Listen very well. These are the emergency numbers. You have to know this, okay? These are the emergency numbers. Let's hope you don't need it. And we get to have a free meal. Let's see what it is later. Orientation just finished, so what's for lunch? We have protein and egg and veggies and rice. Let's eat.